Assalamu alaikum class 2. I hope you will be fine. It's our math subject. Students, we are doing unit 7 review and assess 2. So students, open its exercise number 13 on page number 120. First question. Student, listen carefully. Ahmed spent rupees 55 at a toy shop. Ahmed spends on toy shop 55 rupees, and then another rupees 60 on chocolate. So he spends 60 rupees on chocolate. How much does he spend in total? Students, we will find out that how much total he spent. So we will add 55 rupees which he spent on toy shop, and chocolate, for chocolate rupees 60. So we will add this 5 plus 0, this is 5, and 5 plus 6, so you will add this will be 11. So it's mean he total spend amount, his total spending amount is 115 rupees. Come on, question number 2. There are 12 silver cars. Students, you will read down question, then write down their statements. Firstly, there are 12 cars. So here you will write down silver cars 12. 23 grey cars. Grey cars equal to 23. And 14 white cars. White cars is equal to 14. In a parking lot, how many cars are there altogether? So we will find out total number of cars. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So here we will write down 9. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. This is 49. So there are total 49 cars. Come on, question number 3. Nida uses 3 cups of sugar to bake a cake. Nida use cup of sugar for 1 cake is equal to 3 cups. Now, how many cups of sugar will she use if she has to bake 6 cakes? Students, we will find out that how many cup of sugars Nida will use if she bakes 6 cakes. So, how much sugar used for 6 cakes is equal to, here we will multiply 3 with 6. 3 6 are 18. So it's mean where she will use 18 cups of sugar for baking 6 cakes. Now come on, question number 4. Fahim goes to the bakery to buy a dozen pastries. Dozen mean 12. Buy pastries. How many pastries? 12. Dozen means 12 pastries. Half a dozen roll. He purchase half a dozen roll mean आधा दर्जन. So this is 6. Total in dozen 12 items. So half a dozen mean कि हमने 12 का half कर लिया. 6 roll. He purchased 6 roll and 6 can of juice, and he purchased 6 can of juice. So student, how many items in total will he be carrying back home? So how much things he buy? We will add 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 carry. Then this will be 1 plus 1, 2, 24 items. Number 5. 11 fish were caught by Arsalan. Arsalan caught fishes 11. His friend Tamur caught 6 fish. Tamur caught 6 fishes. How many fishes? 6. So here we will write down 6. Firstly, we will find out the total number of fishes. 11 plus 6, this will be 17. Now, they cooked 4 fish for lunch. They cooked fishes 4. So, we will subtract 4 from 17. How many were left? Because they are that how much left. So, 7 minus 4, this will be 3. And 1 will be here. So, it's mean they total caught 17 fishes. 4 they cooked. And the remaining fishes are 30. Now students, come on question number 6. So here has 36 cards still to be sent to guest. Invited to the annual school function. Student, is there any annual school function? And the person named Sohail, he has 36 cards which he will deliver to their guest. In all, 95 guests are expected. If their expectation that the guest will be 95, how many cards have already been distributed? So here we will find out that how many cards already he distributed. As we know that the total guests are 95 and the cards still to be sent. At the start of the question, they tell us that there are 36 cards. So we will subtract 36 cards from 95. So we will get that how many cards he delivered to the guest. Students, this is 5 and this is 6. Not possible to subtract. So here we will take carry 1 from 9. So this 5 become 15 and 9 become 8. 15 minus 6, this will be 9, and 8 minus 3, this will be 5. It's mean 59 cards already he delivered. Question number 7. There are 12 coconut trees in a coconut grove. 7 new ones are planted. Okay, stop reading, students. There are 12 coconut trees. How many coconut trees? 12. Then you read the statement, 7 new ones are planted. How many planted trees? New planted trees? These are 7. So we will find out the total number of trees. 12 plus 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And this will be 1. So total trees will be 90. Okay, student, read the next statement. But only 3 of these survive. They said that from these 7, only 3 survived, but the 4 not survived. So we will subtract not survived trees from here. Okay, students. 3 बड़े हो गए और जो 4 थे वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर सके, वो ग्रो नहीं कर सके, वो मुरझा गए. So we will subtract 4 from 19. So this will be 15. It's mean the remaining trees are 15. Look at this. Planted 7 new trees. 3 survives and 4 not survive. That's why we subtract 4 from the total number of trees. Student, come on last question 8. In a dot game, Samir has scored 45 points. Samir scored 45 points. Then Suhail has scored 21 points. Suhail scores 21 points. How much more should Suhail score to equal Samir's score? It's mean that how much score need to Suhail that it will become equal to Samir. So we will subtract Suhail's scores from the Samir scores. Here we will write down 45, subtract 21. 5 minus 1, this will be 4, and 4 minus 2, this will be 2. So Suhail required 24 more scores, then he will become equal to the Samir. I hope, student, you understand this exercise 13. Do practice on your notebook. When you're done this practice work, so send your practice work picture on our WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.